morning. All right, hey guys, so today is gonna be a pretty cool, exciting day. Today I will be doing or redoing my floors. So the living room currently has carpet, and the kitchen has vinyl sheets. Shout out to my little brother for carrying all these 36 planks. Now these planks are heavy. I tell no lie, they are heavy. And shout out to my mom for having a truck, because my sedan could not fit any of this stuff. All right, home improvement 101. Let's go, baby. Boom. So I am changing my floors to vinyl, and I will be using LifeProof. Secretly, I've always wanted vinyl. So I will be making it happen this week. Well, today. So this is the carpet area, and right here is the kitchen that we will be redoing as well. Ask me how many times have I been to Home Depot just in 1 week? A lot. I felt I've gone to Home Depot more than I've ever in 1 year span. Finally, after time of going to Home Depot, I think I finally found a plank that, well, the design that I'll be using. I'm here to get my hands dirty, kind of, not really, but we'll see. Hey guys, so it is like 11:30 right now, and as you can see behind me, we have officially ripped out the carpet, and we have now started laying down the planks. So it's pretty good. It looks great so far, to be very honest. I cannot wait to see the finished product. Cannot wait. So what I've done so far, I helped with the, I think it's called the quarter strips. So I helped like remove those. That's the most I could have done. That was effective, but for the most part, we did a great job. Yay. So Drew, what are we doing right now?
Right now we're measuring the width of this strip that's going to go down along this wall, and Steve is cutting those out, and then that little notch out for the laundry room, going to notch that on the first piece we start, and that way makes everything nice and even when all the way down.
Awesome, awesome. You guys, this is Drew. He is an amazing friend that is basically making my house awesome. Oh my goodness. This looks amazing.